Wow. You can see all the liquid coming through.
People, blessed is the cheesemaker, aka Lisa Cheese. Because she's teaching us how super easy it is to make our own ricotta.
I like store-bought, nothing wrong with it. But when you make it homemade, and you can see how fast it is, it tastes unbelievable. You put it on crostini, you put it on top of your pasta.
And if you say you don't like leftovers, you're lying, because ricotta is actually leftovers. It is translated in Italian to mean recooked. Recooked, I tell you.
Maybe you'd like to do that again.
No.
Okay,
Creamy, smooth, and delicious. Show us how.
We're doing it really straightforward. So we have milk, cream, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna bring this to a boil and we're gonna let it simmer for 2 minutes. Once it's finished simmering, we'll bring it back to the counter and finish. So our milk mixture has simmered for 2 minutes, and to that we're gonna add lemon juice. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna make all the curds rise up to the top. You leave this sit for 10 minutes. Your job is you're gonna scoop the curds into the...
I just like when you say curds.
So we have a cheesecloth. We've put it over a strainer and... Oh.
I'm just demonstrating.
Yeah, I could see that. Okay, so scoop away.
It could take a while.
No, it's fast.
Can I just pick it up and pour it?
No, I prefer you to scoop it. Thank you.
What, can we just push it?
No, no. Once this is all in the strainer, it's gonna go in the refrigerator for an hour and a half. And when it comes out, it's going to be nice and firm. And then you can store it in a container, and it can store in your refrigerator for about a week.
Blessed is our cheesemaker. And for more easy and amazing recipes, go to bitememore.com and subscribe to our videos.
That is how you needed to end it. No,
No push?
no pushing.